To fix the Bosch Boiler D5 error code, it is essential to understand the meaning, causes, and solutions. The D5 error code indicates a problem with the boiler's ignition system, specifically a faulty or malfunctioning ignition electrode. This issue can lead to incomplete combustion, reduced boiler efficiency, and potentially cause safety hazards. The primary cause of the D5 error code is a dirty or worn-out ignition electrode, which can be due to poor maintenance, scale buildup, or wear and tear over time. Other possible causes include faulty wiring, incorrect electrode alignment, or a malfunctioning ignition controller. To resolve the D5 error code, follow these step-by-step solutions. First, switch off the boiler and allow it to cool down before starting any maintenance work. Next, locate the ignition electrode and inspect it for any signs of damage or corrosion. If the electrode is dirty, clean it gently with a soft brush or replace it if it is damaged. Check the wiring and connections to ensure they are secure and not damaged. Verify that the electrode is properly aligned and seated. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to replace the ignition controller or consult a professional for further assistance. Best practices for preventing the D5 error code include regular boiler maintenance, such as annual servicing and cleaning the ignition electrode every 6 months. Additionally, ensure the boiler is installed and commissioned correctly, and follow the manufacturer's instructions for operation and maintenance. In summary, the Bosch Boiler D5 error code is a common issue that can be resolved with proper maintenance and troubleshooting. By understanding the meaning, causes, and solutions, homeowners can take proactive steps to prevent the error code and ensure their boiler operates efficiently and safely. Regular maintenance and inspections can help identify potential issues before they become major problems, saving time and money in the long run.